Today, we are doing a very special activity. We are going to learn to write our first letter. First, we need the worksheet with capital and lowercase a. Do you have your letter A printing worksheet? It looks like this. If not, have your adult helper get your worksheet for you. They can print it from your lesson page or pull it out of your book. This is a capital A. We know A can say its own name, A, and can also say like apple, apple, Now we need to know how to write the capital A. This is a capital A. Our worksheet has arrows and numbers to help us remember how to do it. We start at the top, number 1, and come down the side to the bottom. Then we lift up and come to number 2 at the top and go down to the bottom. And then we go to number 3 on the side and come across to touch the other side. And the little arrows show 1, 2, 3, like that. So we come to the top and 1 and go down to the bottom. Come back to the top and go down to the bottom. And then we go to this side and come across to the other side. That's how you make a capital letter A. A small letter A, we also have a 1 and a 2 with the arrows pointing to show you which way to go. To put your pencil or crayon or your finger, and you can trace it with me. Start at the top at the number 1 and come down to the bottom. Then come back up near the top at the number 2 and go around until you touch the line going down. Let's do it again. We start at the top and go down to the bottom. And then number 2, we come back up almost to the top and go around. And we touch the line coming down. One more time. We start at the top and come down. We come back up almost to the top and go around. Now we know how to make the capital and lowercase letter A. Are you ready to try? We'll start with this line. You can get your pencil or a crayon and make a letter A. Hold the sheet with one hand. It makes it a little easier. And then you start at the top of the A, number 1. And if you forget, you can also look at this for number 1. And then you come down. And then number 2, we come back to the top and down. And number 3, we come to this side and come across. Let's do another capital A. Go to the top, number 1, and come down. The top, number 1, and come down. And go to the side, number 3, and come across. You can do these with me, or you can pause the video while you do these. It's okay. So we come down, number 2, come down, number 3, come across. We start at the top, number 1, and come down. Start at the top, number 2, and come down. Start at the side, number 3, and come across. Start at the top for a capital letter A and come down. Go back to the top for number 2 and come down. And go to the side and come across for number 3. Now we can make a small A. And again, you can look at the numbers in the arrows on the small A if you forget. And again, you can hold on to the paper with one hand while you use the other hand to make your letters. So we start at the top of the small letter A and come down. And then we come back near the top and come around. Let's do it again. Start at the top and come down for number 1. Come almost to the top, or near the top, or just down a little bit from the top, and come around, like that. Do it with me. Start at the top, and come down. Start near the top, and go around. Number 2. You're doing very well. Go to the top and come down. Start near the top and go around. Very good. On the bottom line, this is the bottom, we have some capital letter A's and we have some lowercase letter A's. So we can do both. So hold on to your paper with one hand so it doesn't move. Start at the top of the A number 1 and come down. Go back to the top and come down for number 2. Number 3, go to the side and come across. A small A. Start at the top and come down for 1. Number 2, start near the top and go around. Very nice. A capital letter A. Start at the top and come down. Start at the top again and come down. Go to the side and come across. Lowercase letter A. Start at the top and make a straight line down. Go near the top and go around. Number 1, come down. Number 2, come down. Number 3, come across. Number 1, come down. Number 2, go around. Look how good we're getting at making letters. I'm going to hang my capital A and lowercase a worksheet on my refrigerator. Where are you putting yours? And now that you're finished, you can give yourself another nice big check. Printing capital and lowercase a lesson is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down from the top. And you also did the printing capital and lowercase activity, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down from the top. So give yourself 2 nice big checks. And then you can do color by numbers 1 through 5 lesson.